Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Mercedes Benz C Class. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Then, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and ensure it's in discovery mode. Next, navigate to the multimedia system in your Mercedes and select the phone or connect device option. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth pairing process. Once in the vehicle's phone menu, select Connect Device or Add New Device. Your Mercedes will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears on the car's display, select it. A pairing code will be shown on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these codes match to proceed with the connection. This ensures a secure and correct pairing. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy the full benefits of Bluetooth connectivity. Make and receive hands-free calls, enhancing your safety on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through the car's sound system. The vehicle's display allows you to manage contacts and view recent calls, all without touching your phone. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your phone and the car's multimedia system. Sometimes, deleting old or unused Bluetooth pairings from your car's memory can also resolve problems and free up space for new devices. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.